Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Ebony Lux, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright y'all, so I've been gone for 2 weeks, had some storage issues, but nevertheless, I am back with another hair video. Alright, so we are doing a side sleek ponytail, and this will be a low ponytail to the back. And what I'm doing right now is I'm parting out my side part and just getting that hair out the way, making sure it's nice and crisp. And I'm just going to make that a full circle right to the front. It's actually not a circle, more like a U, but who cares? And I'm just going to twist this up and get it out of my way. I'm going to go ahead and grab my brown brush here. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush my hair into place and use my scrunchie to go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail. So now my ponytail's in, I'm going to use my black beeswax by Lori. I'm just going to use my comb and I'm going to comb through my hair. So I'm going to place it first and then I'm going to comb through and smooth it out. You don't want any clumps in your hair, it does not look good. And it'll turn different colors on you. It's just will be a hot mess. Okay, a hot mess. So make sure that you are combing that beeswax, move through the head, move through. So now that we've combed the wax all the way through, I'm going to remove my ponytail holder. I'm going to take that out. And the reason I'm taking it out is because I need to comb all of the matted hair that I've combed onto the ponytail holder. So I'm just going to smooth that area out, and then I'm going to put it right back in a ponytail. All right, so now it's in. Now you can see how smooth it is at the ponytail. So now I'm going to part this in half here. I'm going to use that same wax to go ahead and smooth down my ponytail area, my bang area. It's a bang, a bang. Well, let me stop. All right, so I'm just going to comb that through. And using my clip-ins, I'm just going to add one clip-in here. I later on realized that I did not need it after I completed the hairstyle, because I do have a lot of hair on my head. But anywho, so I'm just going to flip this top part over and add more beeswax to it, making sure to smooth it out all the way through. Just comb it out, y'all. Just comb it through. It might get stuck on you, but just comb it through. As you can see, it's smoothing on out. I swear that's like my favorite word lately. Smooth it out, y'all. Just smooth it out. All right, so I'm going to tuck this right behind my ear. Making sure I get the right placement. Making sure that it lays right. This is probably the most difficult part. But you keep working through it, you'll get it. And I'm actually going to use my clip here to hold this bang area into place before I put it into a ponytail. And I'm just making sure that it's laying right. The little hairs in the front was giving me a hard time. They didn't want to lay down. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair down into one big braid in the back here so we can get to wrapping our ponytail. I'm just going to add my rubber band here at the end so it doesn't unravel on me, because we don't need them problems. We don't need them problems. I know I can't sing, y'all, but it's okay. All right, so we're going to use this got to be glue. Go ahead and spray her all over the place. Spray, oop, wait a minute. All right, I'm going to use my blow dryer and blow dry it into place. Let's get stuck, y'all. It won't move. My hair, it won't move. My hair, it won't move. My hair. All right, so I'm going to tuck my braid right under, and using a rubber band, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my rubber band around here. All right, so here's my wrapping paper. So I'm just going to use a little bit of 30-second glue here. Super hold. And I'm going to wrap around my braid. So, like so. And just wrap that sucker right on around. And keep right wrapping. Doesn't have to be super tight, but you know, tight enough where it doesn't fall off. And it shouldn't fall off as long as you're putting your glue on there to hold it into place. So you shouldn't have those problems. I'm using a little of my glue here to go ahead and secure it into place, like so. Let's get into this ponytail. So I have Beach Curl, purchased from my local beauty supply store, in 30 inches. This hair is very soft, very beautiful, didn't mat up on me. So I'm just taking a little bit of my glue here. I'm just going to put it right over the paper. And we're going to wrap so we can't wrap anymore. But while we're wrapping, we're going to continue to add glue to the wrapping paper as we go up the ponytail. I'm taking my end piece here, just gonna detangle real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around as well. And I'm also gonna use my super glue here, my 30-second glue, while I'm wrapping. And I'm sorry, my little arm kept getting in the way, y'all. I have a new camera, I'm trying to figure it out, but I made it work, All right, so we're just gonna keep wrapping around. And then right here at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit more glue to go ahead and secure it. And then I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue and spray it directly on top, using my blow dryer to go ahead and dry everything into place here, because we don't need it unraveling. I'm just gonna fluff my ponytail out. Look at them curls. Yes. Let's get into these edges. So I'm using my Maurice beeswax on my edges here. I'm just gonna brush it right on top. And let's get ready to slay these edges. And making sure to smooth it on out, of course. Told y'all that's my favorite word. Just smooth it out, y'all. Just smooth it out. And I'm actually gonna brush these a little forward here before I lay them how I want to lay them. Look at that shine, y'all. Look at that shine. Ooh. Boom, just like that. Easy, easy. Let's do this other side. I'm gonna lift it out the way, y'all. Gotta lift it. Ooh, almost there. Make sure they look right. Gotta make sure they twinning, y'all. Twinning. Let's move this clip. All right. Ooh, we're done. Get the back. Get that side looking good. Let me know what you think about this sleek curly ponytail. I think it is popping. I'm loving this look, y'all. I'm loving the look. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys coming back and tuning into my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are taking me a long way and I really appreciate it. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram at miss.ebonylux, and I'll make sure to follow back. Thanks again. Bye.